The work should be installed on the floor, ground, and be viewed from a low position. The works that include paper, drawing, should be placed on the floor. If one were to compare this to a non-theatrical Odori, the gesture of leaving the ground is the negative. Mai and Odori both Japanese traditional dances, but Mai is a stage dance. Odori, there's a smell of ground in the racial characteristic. The vitality of that happening is manifested by the act of coming up from the ground. Synchronization with the world of the works comes from the incomprehensible, the chaos, and pushes out from within the viewer, putting oneself physically in a lower position, both feet on the ground, and seeing something horizontally as a way to request that the viewing be done through the entire body. This illuminates the relationship between ceramic and ceramic, ceramic and metal, and paper. One cannot build a spiritual relationship by leaving the ground, by looking at it from afar. The perspective of this structure is low, and its state cannot be seen without the viewing to physically correspond with the position of the work. The installation of the work can take a variety of forms, depending on the site and how it is utilized.